In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get login alerts on your Facebook account. You can simply enable to get alerted when someone logs into your Facebook account. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On Menus page, scroll down onto the Settings and Privacy option. Select the option of Settings. You will then have to tap on the first option of Account Center. On this page, tap right here on Password and Security. Then select the third last option of Login Alerts. Select your Facebook account. You will then mark where you want to receive the notification from. You can either mark to get the login notification alert as a Facebook notification in Facebook or to get sent to you as an email on your selected Gmail account. You can also choose to receive notifications on both Facebook and Gmail. Whenever enabled and someone tries to log in into your Facebook, you will be notified. That's how easy it is to log in alerts on your Facebook account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.